Yeah, you can call me super. Man, I'm an icon. He lost to the clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in my cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Now you heard the rumors. Yes, I got the sauce. A true little mover. Never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler. Yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Let's get it poppin', gon' light it up, yeah, quitting ain't an option. All around the world, you can see me go trotting. I'm about to blow and you know that I ain't stopping. We making moves, breaking every record, baby, this is what I do. What was written in the stars, now I'm all over the news. It's about to go down and you know I never lose, that's the truth.
It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
Life is a stage and love is a song where the peace and the pain it all collides. Steps are like stones scattered out in the dark, trying to follow the light. I'll be there when the night comes. The fear inside your mind runs. Every breath you breathe like coming up for air. I'll be there when the bow breaks. The ground beneath your heart shakes. Every word you're speaking comes out like a prayer. Oh, I'm gonna be there.
RJ and Belisa,
Oh, I'm gonna be
ito ay panghabang buhay lang. Panghabang buhay na ito. Tandaan ninyo, panghabang buhay na ito. Because your presence today, the very reason why you are here today, in our first meeting of today, in first plan, live in love. Because Christ loves us.
To my one and only wife in the world, from the start, hindi tayo naghiwalay. We've been together for 17 years and still
your
something.
mind runs. Every breath you breathe like coming up for air. Breaks the ground beneath your heart shakes. Every word you're speaking comes out like a prayer. Oh, I'm gonna be there. Oh, I'm gonna be there. I'll carry every little part of the unknown. Jagged edges you
Melissa and RJ, always remember, put your minds into your hearts that you are trustworthy of this love. Kaya niyong isabuhay hanggang sa dulo ng inyong buhay. Hanggang sa dulo ng inyong hininga. Kaya niyo na isabuhay ang pagpamahal na ito araw-araw.
Every word you speak comes out like a prayer. I'll be there when the
Julio!
fear inside your mind.
Sorry na, hindi ko kasi akala ko uwi. Ako ba? Ano yan, Toga?
I'll be there when the bow breaks. The ground beneath your heart shakes. Every word you're speaking comes out like a prayer. Oh, I'm gonna be there. 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 Oh, I'm gonna be there.
Actually, matagal na namin pinangarap na magpakasal. Kaso dumating yung time na pandemic.
Siyempre, salamat sa lahat. Wala na akong masabi kasi lahat naman nabibigay niya eh. Siyempre, mahal na mahal kita. Ganun.
Since ang isa sa pangarap ko is yung mapasaya lang yung asawa ko. And alam natin na ang nagpapasaya sa babae yung kasal. Which is nakakadalawa na kami.
Bebe, thank you kasi hindi ko in-expect na papakasal pa tayo sa simbahan.
I will move if you won't move. Masquerading in a crowded room. Never let the light get through.
Kung nandito magulang ko, for sure, sobrang saya. Pero whatever happens, that is God's plan. So siguro dahil sa pagkawala nila, dun din lalo akong tumibay.
Living rooms and keeping company. Staring at the ground. Don't say the words out loud. When the winter shows up suddenly.
Basta, Marilisa Rose Gaon Nagahol Bermundo. Hanggat buhay ako, ikaw ang mamahalin ko habang buhay. Pangako.
I will move if you won't move. Masquerading in a crowded room. Never let the light get through. All we do, me and you.
The beloved RJ and Melissa, you are here today to seal your love, eternal bond before the church. Christ abundantly blesses this love. He has already consecrated you in baptism, and now He reaches and strengthens you by special sacrament so that you may assume the duties of marriage and mutual and lasting fidelity. And you, my dear brothers and sisters, may ask you to help them with your prayers and accept them as a new couple in our Christian community.
This is our second wedding. We already have 4 kids and 1 in the heaven. Just wanna say thank you for everything. Thank you for the love. Tandaan mo, series ang love story natin.